There is no way I can know all Babalawos in Nigeria. It is not possible for me. But due to my experience, as people have been messaging me, calling me to confirm if a Babalawo is real or not. So what I discover is that some of the pages they sent to me, they usually send to me, are not that verifiable pages or accounts, you know, social media accounts such as Facebook, Instagram. So first thing first, when someone messages you on any of the social media platforms to randomly tell you about Ifa, or to say to you that you have a problem or you need to divine Ifa, you know, this is a red light for you